My coverage of Computex 2018 is brought to you by Gigabyte, Cooler Master, Team Group, and Thermaltake. Well, alright guys, you knew it was coming. This is my builds montage. This is going to be my last Computex 2018 video as well, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'm here at Bits Power, maker of fine, high-quality, custom liquid cooling components for your computer. They always have some epic builds here, so we're going to start with some of those, and then I'm going to go into all of the builds that I saw that I thought were really badass here at the show, and then we'll be done. Alright guys, that was pretty epic. I really hope you enjoyed that. I really enjoy looking at all the builds that they get set up for shows like this, and Computex is just always amazing when it comes to the systems that people put together. So unique, so different, so inspired often. But thank you guys so much for watching my coverage of the show this year, and of course one final thank you to my sponsors for this event, Cooler Master, Gigabyte, Team Group, and Thermaltake. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, guys. Subscribe, of course, if you're not already. I am going to be jet lagged for the next week, so that'll be fun. But it was well worth it. We'll see you guys next time.